What up, guys? What's going on? Today is Sunday, and today's the day we're gonna get some good stuff done. So my guy Jeff is coming over now. I'm not too sure if he's gonna be comfortable with being like put on camera and stuff, but he's coming over now. He's gonna do the solenoid for my fuel pump, and then he's gonna set up my ethanol E85 content sensor, which is dope because I definitely need that. Yeah, and then I'm gonna see also if maybe he could, I don't know if he's gonna have like a pin or something, but maybe to see if he could wire in my boost solenoid also, because that has to get wired into the ECU harness also. So, but I'm gonna get the car ready. He said he'll be here in 15 minutes, so I'm gonna get the car ready and stuff. Yeah, and then go from there. Alright, it's my guy Jeff. My guy right now, he's about to run a solenoid on his fuel pump. It's OG right here, man. This guy knows everything.
That's crazy. I can't even remember his name. Drew.
Yeah, Drew, yeah.
Drew used to melt them shits left and right.
Yeah, Derek melted like 2 of them, and then he went to the solenoid. So running a solenoid, guys, at the end of the day, is better because it's what do you say again? It's continuous volts, right, all the time.
It's higher amperage
Than a solenoid, so. Alright, so got this feed taken off. So now I just have the feed coming from here. I got the 90 with the line, which is gonna get connected to that side now. Just Teflon this part here. I'm just gonna tuck this wire to the back, connect it to there, and we're good. Alright, so ran the line, ran it this way. Jeff told me, got us here, told me it's fine the way I would have ran it before, but he understands why I'm switching it, and look like he's done on this side. So shout out to my guy fucking Jeff, man. He's ready to go, bro. I did not want to do this shit. He hooked it up. So yeah, so I'm gonna make sure all the lines, all the fuel line stuff is connected, so we can prime it and make sure we get no gas leak. Alright, so my guy Jeff just finished up right here. Jeff, you want to explain a little bit what this is, how this goes?
So
this kind of crazy for me right here.
You have signal in. It goes all the way to the solenoid, and then from the solenoid you have power and ground. And then you have power and ground going back to the pump.
There you go.
So the ground from the battery feeds the solenoid, then the same ground goes to the fuel pump.
There you go. My guy hooked it up. I would have fucking blew my fuel pump out doing this shit. Alright, so I'm about to move to the 85 stuff now. Just about to wire up some stuff over here also. Alright, so we're doing, well, Jeff's doing the 85 ethanol sensor now. And he just told me some smart shit that I didn't even know I could do. All my gauges, I could just run power to one of these, and then he said just put it on the hot side of the fuse box, which is smart because I don't have to run like 100 of these. So definitely gonna be doing that. Alright guys, so my guy Jeff left. Yo, this guy, bro, I love him, man. This guy does fucking A1 work. If you guys know who Jeff is, you guys know his work is fucking amazing. He works at Empire. This guy does everything, bro. Swaps, trans, bro. This guy fucking OG, bro. He's a real, bro. He's the GOAT. Just put it like that. But he wired it up. Obviously, he left everything for me here because I gotta run the pod gauge stuff there. This right here is my E85. So he did it this way. That way, I'm gonna take off my computer and everything. Obviously, it's just on and off. Yeah. So I'm gonna be mounting this up. He did the relay, as you guys saw. So I just gotta put some self taps mounted down there. But we're good to go. And yeah, so I'm gonna hit him up. I'm gonna have him come do the fan relay. Also, he's gonna do a whole relay for me because he's a fucking beast with wiring. So he's gonna do relay wire. He's gonna do all of that for me. And then he's gonna run this wire right here, which is my boost solenoid. Gonna run it to the ECU. Gonna tap it in. So he knows how to do all of that. And yeah, so we're good to go. This is for my this is for this one right here. This is for my AM, for my Y band. So these two are nothing here. Well, sorry, these two are nothing here. This is power ground. So he said I can run every single wire to one of those fuse things, which I didn't know. I thought it would be too much, but he said you gotta run on the hot side. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm just gonna put everything inside the car quick because I'm gonna go inside, eat, and then come back and finish working on the car. I got this 3D plated, I guess, pod shit, but it's just not working. It's coming out. I feel like it's gonna end up, they're kind of coming out. We'll see how this works. It's gonna be a short vlog. I'm gonna most likely end up picking it up probably again like next week or like in a few days. I don't really have much more to do. I'm just gonna cover up. I'm gonna just put the cover back on this, and yeah, then all I gotta do for here is just get some self-tap screws, tap that into there, and then yeah, we're good to go. Then I gotta like figure out the battery stuff. I'm still waiting on my guy to send me out the wires that I need, so gotta wait for that. But besides that, we should be good. So I got I got it here. I disconnected everything from here because this is not done yet. Because obviously this is ground, this is power, and this is the, I believe, like the signal for the ECU. Obviously it's in there. He made me a quick disconnect, so I could disconnect it when I disconnect my ECU. But on Monday, my oil pressure gauge should be here. So I'm gonna get that, and I was gonna do all the gauges and stuff myself, but I'm actually was speaking to Jeff, and yeah, we ended up coming to the conclusion that he'll just wire up everything for me because he's loves doing wiring. He's like really good at wiring and fucking doing everything. This guy does everything. Like, if you guys know who Jeff is, he has a supercharged K car that went viral on Instagram. If I find the video, I'll put it right here so you guys can see what car it is. It's a fucking monster K supercharged car. It's like one of one. It's that crazy. But yeah, so we just come to the conclusion he's just gonna wire everything up for me. Might as well, you know. I'm not that good with wiring. Obviously AFR and stuff, it's simple, but it's simple ground, power ground, whatever. But since he's already gonna do my relay for my fan. I just told him to do my relay too. I'm gonna run a relay, and then get a switch, so I could run the fan like I did before through a switch, and then he's gonna plug in my boost solenoid also to the ECU. He's gonna wire that in. So we just said might as well just do everything, you know, just do all the gauges and everything. So he's gonna do AFR. He already did innovative, but obviously wiring up everything into it, and then the oil pressure. So we're gonna basically just tie everything and do everything in one day, get all that knocked out. Again, this is 3D printed. It's not that good, if I was to say, but what I am gonna do is I'm going to put like some tape, not even some tape. Well, I could put tape. I'm only gonna put tape or like glue it or something, so it could clip in nice. But basically, this is where it's gonna go at. It's gonna go in here just like this. I'm trying to show you guys. It's gonna look fucking great. So, gonna have that there. Gonna have E85, oil pressure, AFR, and the boosters here. Booster right here. I got the line. Well, I have the line right there. I'm gonna run it up. And I bought the fitting that I needed for the manifold, so it could be this same size, so I can run the hose to it. And I'm guessing from just so much that I was doing, I don't even know, I ended up losing it. But that's like a $5 fitting, so I'm gonna get that. And then the throttle cable bracket that was there, it's completely stripped. Even with the American size bolt, it don't fit. I would have to put like a bigger size American size bolt, which I'm not gonna do. So I just ordered the helicoil kit. It should be here tomorrow, Tuesday. I'm just gonna use a drill bit and drill out the threading that's there, and then get the little kit, obviously, to make the threading inside of it, and then after that, just put the helicoil in, because nothing else is gonna work. So that way, I could have one screw and I could be able to bolt down the bracket, because the bracket's not getting bolted down. So yeah, that's that. And then literally the only thing I'm gonna need after that, guys, literally after all this is done, only thing I'm gonna need to do is drill out the turbo, so for the little bracket, for the little fitting. And then the battery stuff, like I said, I'm just waiting on my guy for his product to come in. He gotta make it for me, send it out. But besides that, I ain't got that much more to do. And then the car could go off to get fabrication done. So we on a good pace right now.